Welcome back to our Microsoft Word Lesson 2. We are going to learn how to create a new document, open an existing document, and save our work correctly in the Microsoft Word. This lesson is very important because saving your work properly helps you avoid losing your document. By the end of this lesson, you would have learned how to create a new Microsoft Word, open an existing document, save and use Save As correctly. Let's get started. We'll start by creating a new document. We come to File, click on New, click on Blank Document. This opens a blank document. Now let's learn how to open an existing document. You come to File, Open. You browse where your document is. Suppose it's in the document area. The document. And this is your document. You double click it. Or you click and click Open. And it will open a new Word document. Next, let's learn how to save our documents. This document, we want to save it. You come to File, Save. If this is the first time you're saving the document, Word will ask you to choose a location, like you can see on our screen. So we can browse where we want to save our document. And we say in the documents. And then we save it and give it a name. We can name this. Naturally, it is named automatically by Word document, but you can always rename it as Lesson 2. And then you click Save. Let's look at Save As. Save As is used when you want to copy the document, to save a copy of the document with a different name or in a different location. Click File, then Save As. You can change location. Previously we had saved our previous document in the documents. You can now do it on the desktop and retain the name or change the name, and then you click Save. Our document has been saved as. A quick recap. In this lesson, we learned how to create a new document, open an existing one, and save our work properly in the Microsoft Word. Practice creating and saving documents after this lesson. In the next lesson, we will learn how to type, edit, and select text in the Microsoft Word. Thank you for watching. See you in the next lesson. Bye.